Hey there, business owner. Let's talk today about something that keeps your business from moving forward. It's called cash flow. So, whether you're flipping properties, managing rentals, or running creative agency, cash fuels everything. But here's the problem. You might be profitable but still broke. Sounds familiar? Let's break it down. Profit is what shows on paper, but cash flow is what you actually touch and use for your business. So, if your money is tied up in unpaid invoices and slow moving projects, your business can feel stuck, even if you're technically making money. And that's why today I want to give you the real playbook for mastering cash flow. This is how real estate investors and service based founders get ahead and stay ahead. So, too many firms chase big deals, but forget to ask, when will the money hit the bank? Real estate folks, you know the pain. You close up the deal and you're waiting 60 days to get payment. Agencies, you do the same thing. You may sign $100,000 retainer. Well, it's nice, but if it takes a year to collect that money, your expenses outpace that cash real quick. So, number one rules is know your cash timing. Now, just how much only, but when the cash hit the bank. You don't need to be a spreadsheet wizard, but you only need to know a simple cash forecast. So I'll look at 13 weeks ahead. You need to track what's coming in, what's going out, and when. This gives you visibility. So you'll see the red zone before the head, and you can plan, not panic. Even a simple Google Sheet can save your business. So you've got a full pipeline. Let's say deals are in progress, projects are active, but your bank balance doesn't reflect that. Why? Because basically, work in progress doesn't pay the bills. You need billing rhythm. You need billing system. You need billing software or tools. You need to get deposit upfront. And that's what you need to work on. So set milestones payment. Don't wait until the end to get paid. If your clients are waiting to pay you, you're acting like a bank, and that's not your job. So here's a quick win. Shorten your payment terms. If you're on net 30, maybe you try net 10. Add incentives for early payments. Add penalty. If someone is late, use auto reminders. Set ACH on file. For doing that, you're not being pushy, you're being professional. I've seen firms and businesses recover tens of thousands just by getting serious about collecting what they're owed. And this one is huge for anyone just starting their business. You're burning cash faster. I've seen that so many times than what's coming in, because you're working on hiring, establishing your staff, buying softwares, renting office space, and all before the revenue lands. So the real talk here is growth is great and organic growth, but growth can kill you if you don't manage it with cash in mind. So have at least 2 to 3 months of operating expenses in reserve. I know that's hard, but it's feasible. Also think about, self-funded insurance plan. That's what cash reserve is all about. This works as a buffer for you. It gives you time to react, not just survive. And it helps you make smart decisions, not, desperate ones when you panic and you hit like the emergency situation. So if you got consistent receivable, consider that maybe that's a good stream of revenue coming in, but think about having a line of credit in case of emergency. If you're in your real estate and, think strategically, not emotionally. So if you have a cash out refi that you can use, delaying finances might be a tool in your toolbox, but, don't lean on debt unless the ROI is crystal clear for you. If you want a simple action plan or step that you can take right now, here's what I would do. I block 15 minutes of my day. I'll pull out my bank accounts, my AR and my payables, You want to stretch it out for the next 8 to 12 weeks. You review those numbers, and you don't need a perfection. You just need some clarity. You need to look at these numbers, monitor them for the next 8 to 12 weeks. And if you do that weekly, I promise you your stress level will drop and your confidence will rise. So if this helps, take a moment to reflect on your own cash flow habits. Are you tracking what matters? Are you reacting? Are you planning ahead? Small steps can lead to big clarity. And keep it simple, keep it consistent. And remember, mastering cash flow isn't an accounting or finance thing. It's a survivor skill for any business owner. So stay ahead, think about cash flow all the time. And I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.
This has been another episode of our tax saving video series. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe below, and share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bostacpa.com. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.